See, next is the polynomial chapter 2. Certain definitions you have to learn. First is the variable. So what is the variable? Any alphabet we'll be using, that is called variable. Supposing X, Y, Z, B, C, like that, if we use any alphabet, that is called variable. Next is algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? It is a combination of variable, constant. Okay, it is called, supposing 5x plus 3. Okay, now x is the variable. Okay, now 5 is the coefficient. This is called coefficient. So this 3 if you take, it is not having any variable. So the न्यूमरिकल, उसको न्यूमरिकल भी बोलते हैं. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? विदाउट वेरिएबल, द टर्म विदाउट वेरिएबल, इट इज कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट. ओके, सपोजिंग 2y minus 2x plus 3. Here 2 is the coefficient of y. जो नंबर उसके बाजू में रहती है उसको कोफिशिएंट बोलते हैं. x का कोफिशिएंट है -2 and 3 is the constant term here. Okay, now degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Okay, now supposing here 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Okay, 2 is the coefficient of x square, 3 is the coefficient of x and 4 is constant. कांस्टेंट मतलब जिसका कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं रहते उसको. इसमें देखे तो नाउ डिग्री. डिग्री मतलब क्या है? नाउ इफ यू टेक एक्सपोनेंट, बिफोर दैट एक्सपोनेंट वी विल टेक एक्सपोनेंट इन द फर्स्ट. नाउ 3 terms are there. This is the first term, this is the second term and this is the third term. Exponent of first term, exponent of first term. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है? 2x स्क्वायर. सो ये पावर को क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपोनेंट. इज़ 2. सेकंड टर्म इज़ 1. क्यों? यहाँ पावर 1 है, कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 है, सो एक्सपोनेंट. थर्ड टर्म का व्हाट इज़ देयर इन द थर्ड टर्म? थर्ड टर्म 4 इज़ देयर, सो इट इज़ ए कांस्टेंट टर्म. हियर 2x, actually this is x raised to power 0 here. Power is equal to 0. Okay, but we will not write x raised to power 0 because x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 100 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Y raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 raised to power 0 is equal to 10,000 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now in this expression if you take 2x square plus 2x plus 4, so maximum power देखने का, यहाँ 1 हम लोग लिखते नहीं हैं मगर its power is equal to 1. so डिग्री क्या होती है? maximum power of term is called डिग्री. टर्म की जगह पे मैक्सिमम पॉलिनोमियल यू कैन टेक. ओके, नाउ हियर मैक्सिमम डिग्री क्या है? 2. सो डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल इज 2. ओके, सपोजिंग 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2. Here first term power is 4, second term power is 3, third term nothing is there means 1. So what is the maximum power? Degree is equal to 4. Okay, next according to the degree we can classify the polynomial. So what is the linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is one whose degree is equal to 1. Supposing 2x minus 3. Okay, here 3 का तो 0 है, यहाँ नथिंग इज देयर 1. सो मैक्सिमम पावर को डिग्री बोलते हैं. मैक्सिमम पावर इट सेल्फ इज 1. सो हियर degree is equal to 1 हो तो such polynomial we will be calling as linear polynomial. Next is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So what is quadratic polynomial? If degree is equal to 2. Okay, how? Supposing let us take example 4x square or standard form of linear polynomial. Ax plus b is equal to 0. So where a is the coefficient of x and b is the constant term. Okay, linear poly 4x square minus 3x plus 4. Here maximum degree क्या है? इसका 1 है, इसका 0 है, तो मैक्सिमम डिग्री 2 है. अगर डिग्री 2 हो तो हम लोग उसको क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल बोलते हैं. ओके, इसका जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल विल बी ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is equal to constant term. Okay, next is cubic polynomial. Cube means 3, cubic polynomial. Okay, here degree will be equal to 3, maximum power will be equal to 3. Example 2x cube minus 4x square plus 3x minus 4. Here maximum degree क्या है? इसका 2 है, इसका 1, इसका 0. So maximum degree is equal to power is equal to, so degree is equal to 3. So degree 3 हो तो उसका, so general form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where d is the constant term. Okay, now this is the introduction. Now according to the number of terms, we have monomial. Monomial is only one term will be there. Example 2x, 4y, y, minus 2x, minus 3x. If only one term is there. So when only one term is there, we call them as monomials. Okay, now binomial. Algebraic expression with two term. प्लस साइन है, प्लस ए एक टर्म है, ए एक टर्म है, 2 टर्म्स हो तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? बाय ना, बाय मीन्स 2. एग्जाम्पल 3x minus y. Here 3x first term. So if 2 terms are there, if in between plus or minus sign is there, we call it as a binomial. Trinomial. Tri means 3. If 3 terms are there, how it will be? Supposing the 3x square minus 4x minus 3. First term 3x square, second term minus 4x, third term minus 3. Okay, 3 terms are there. Such polynomial is called trinomial based on the number of terms. If one term, monomial, 2 terms, binomial, and 3 terms are there, so we call it as trinomial. Okay, this is the introduction to the your second chapter. I will send the exercise 2.1 and notes also I will send. Thank you.